Good morning, children. Children, very good morning. Now, children, you see what we will measure the small container. Okay, how you know the what measuring the small the capacity of the small container. Okay, for measuring the for measuring the capacity of the small container, what we use the smaller unit, a smaller measure, that is called milliliter. Children, you know 1 liter 1 liter is equal to 1000 what milliliter. Children, 1000 milliliter. The symbol is small ml, and here you see 1 liter is equal to 1000 what milliliter. Now, how express? Children, you see a milk bottle. Children, you see the milk bottle. Children, it is 1 liter. The milk bottle is, for children, it is 1 liter. So, when you see it is a small bottle, the capacity of this bottle is 100 milliliter. So children, so 10 times, okay, 10 times of this bottle, one bottle, then another bottle, second bottle, third bottle, children, fourth bottle, fifth bottle, sixth bottle, seventh bottle, what? Of 100 milliliter. 8 bottles, then 9 bottles of what? 100 milliliter of milk. Children, so it is 10 bottle. 10 bottles, okay, of 100 milliliter. So children, 100, how many times? 10 what? 10 bottles, small bottles, okay. So it is what? 1000, because one bottle is what? 100 milliliter. So 10 bottle of this is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, children. So equal to what? 1 liter. 10 times. 1 time 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 milliliter, 600 milliliter, 700 milliliter, 800 milliliter, 900 milliliter, 1000 liter. This is the 1 liter. Children, now you see, children, it is 250 liter. How express? Children, so now you see one bottle, then another bottle, then another bottle, then another bottle. How many bottles? 4 bottles of 250 milliliter. That means children, 250 milliliter into 4 small bottles, small containers. Okay, is equal to, so 250 plus 250, 500 milliliter, then again 250, then 750 milliliter, then 250 milliliter, that is 1000. 250, then another 250, then another 250, then another 250. When it fill, what happened? It will fill 1 liter of this container. That means it is, children, it is 1000 what milliliter is equal to 1 liter, children. Clear? Then again another bottle when I express, children, you see the 500 milliliter of jug or mug. Okay, so 2 times 500 milliliter when I add to this bottle, then it is what? 1 liter. How? You see, children, so 500 into 2 mugs equal to 500, again 500, so it is 1000, children, 1000 milliliter, okay, equal to 1 liter. Children, in this way, you know what? You know the how we express, how we measure the small container. What? We measuring the capacity of the small container. Okay, children, we use a smaller measure called milliliter. Okay, children, small milliliter equal to, you see, milli, milliliter equal to, children, ml. Okay, children, you see, this is milliliter. Liter is litre. This is L, liter. Okay, children. Now what do you see, children? You see in this class, what you know? You know the class work, children. 16th December, you see, liter equal to capital L and milliliter is equal to ml, small ml. Okay, children. Children, what we know about the small measures or smaller measure? We use smaller measure. Okay, children, what? For measuring the what? The capacity of the small container. Measuring the capacity of the small container, we use the smaller measure that is known as milliliter. You see milliliter, you see milliliter, you see liter. What you see? The standard unit of capacity is liter, and the smaller measuring capacity is what? The smaller measure is milliliter, ml. Okay, thank you.